Nice one, Len. So the first trade here that I called out was the euro dollar. At the time, we were hobbling back and forth. There was a gap down earlier today, and you can see that I drew the Willie box, and I put a straddle, what's called a straddle. I put a buy stop at 129.06 and a sell stop at 129.73. Okay, normally my stops have been 16 to 22 pips, but today I had to go with a 30 pip stop. We put a 15-point target, a 30-point second target, and just look at the charts and see what happened. Hit our target within 2 candles. So in less than 30 minutes, we hit our 30 pip target after consolidating for what looks like 1 o'clock to 7 hours. This is a 7-hour Willie box, guys. This box started at 1 o'clock. This is MetaTrader, and then it triggered at 8 o'clock. 7 hours. 7 hours of, you're not sure what direction, but we're able to call it right. So any questions in this euro dollar trade from anyone? Okay, let's go move on. The next trade was the New Zealand. The New Zealand trade, this is my Willie box. You can see that jumped in at 80.82. Again, I put like a 15 and 30 point target, but sometimes it just doesn't get there in the time. So you can see that we've been 1 hour in this trade and it's still up 4 pips. So I just closed the trade at +4. The reason I closed the trade, I was already up, so I decided to just close it and take profits. Another trade that I took myself, and I drew this box in front of the members, is that I put a sell stop on the Swissy at 93.57 personal. Sometimes it misses by a few pips. That's good enough. 20 is better than 0. Okay, but again, once again, got the direction right. And then the last trade that I personally took was the Aussie. I went in at the buy stop at the round number 1500. I was able to grab four pips on this one. I forget now, 2 or 4, but it really didn't do anything. And just kind of ended that trade. And then the other trades that I didn't take was the euro yen. Euro yen pretty much followed or mirrored the euro dollar. You can see here we've been down the whole day, and look at that. It just, this one particularly closed the gap. BC was asking me about closing the gap. It's not a strategy that I use, but it's a good way to set your targets, closing the gap. In fact, let's look at that euro. Did it actually close the gap? Oh yeah, pretty much. It's a coincidence. Again, like I said, I'm not necessarily looking to close the gap, but I set my targets here. Okay, guys, I think it's time for me to wrap it up. Thank everybody for joining us again, and best of luck trading the US session with Shift, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, Yvonne, nice for you to join us, and great job for the people who made the pips today.